It's been months since I uploaded my last video, but finally I am back with English videos and I hope you like it. Well, starting with Redmi Watch, Redmi's new offering at Rs 399 in wearable segment. So, is it any good? It features a 1.4-inch nice quality LCD panel with good color reproduction. And also talking about brightness, the brightness is actually sufficient in daylight condition. And talking about auto brightness, it just works fine. It's lightweight due to plastic and also comfortable too thanks to the strap quality. It features a button using which you can access the watch and the UI. Talking about which, sometimes I feel it's fast, sometimes I get bored because there is no animation, and that's what I want to give it as a feedback to Xiaomi team. Kindly add a little bit of animation so it makes a smoother experience. We get plenty of watch faces to choose from just in case you are one of those who wants to change it every day for a new look, so it might help you. But talking about features, we get every other basic features which today's watch should have, just like exercise tracking modes, sleep tracking, heart rate measurement, and basic functions like call cut, setting alarm, setting vibration, etc. we get, and all of these works perfectly fine. But this watch doesn't feature a SpO2 sensor, and just in case it's important for you, then you have to look for one from the competition. But this watch does have GPS sensing. If it's important for you, then it's a right choice. The result from this watch is actually accurate, and considering it's a GPS watch, you can actually track your path, you can basically store it in the application, and you can use it later on for your information. But talking about speedometer which uses GPS, I think there's a little delay of 5 to 6 seconds, but the results are approximately right. In my case, the battery life calculation was approximately 7 to 8 days, which is a good battery life considering I kept everything on every basic functions, and also considering this is a smart watch with bigger display, and it does comes with a unique charging dock which you can use it, and it's really unique. Rainy season is coming and 5 ATM water resistance got you covered. Xiaomi did mention on their website that it can be used for swimming purpose also, which I think might be possible because there's a dedicated mode which can be used for swimming in the exercise mode, so you can use that too. Well, finally talking about my verdict, well, at the price of 4000 rupees, if you're looking for a smartwatch with a GPS function, then I think this is a good option. But also you might be looking for a SpO2 censored watch. In that case, there are plenty of options to choose from, but you have to keep in mind that these budget watches with SpO2 sensor doesn't perform that accurately when compared to any machine which we get in the market which are handy too. So you have to keep in mind and you have to take a good guess, and you have to choose from both of these whichever suits you. And I think that was it. I will meet you in the next one, and if you are willing to buy any of these watches, check out the description link, and I will meet you in the next one. Till then, bye bye and take care.